Hi, and welcome again to your weekly fundamental podcast. I am Rini Mehta, and as usual, I'll take you through the world of stock markets and some top stock picks for you to invest. So let's jump right in. In India, stock markets remained cautious during the last week with marginal gains. The focus seems to be shifting from premium Indian equities to relatively cheaper markets. In addition to this, the cautiousness was heightened by the unenthusiastic response towards India's largest IPO, that was 197 Communications, and a resurgence of COVID concerns across the world. Further, the result season was mostly divided with companies showing strong signs of demand growth, but at the same time, high raw material and input costs adding pressure on margins. So, companies have begun passing on the price hikes to the consumers to save their margins. From the US, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell surprised markets earlier last week by altering his previously consistent tone on inflation, telling US lawmakers that, I quote, it's probably a good time to retire that word transitory and try to explain more clearly what we mean, unquote. So, guys, inflation has begun to consistently exceed central bank targets, prompting increased speculation that central banks could be forced to tighten monetary policy earlier than expected. So, investors have been trying to ascertain where and how the Fed might look to tackle inflation if it concedes that rising prices are stickier than expected. On that note, let's see how foreign investors have been faring. Well, after being a net seller to the tune of rupees 39,900 crores in the month of November, FIIs continue to be net sellers at the start of December as well, to the tune of rupees 3,676 crores so far. We expect future FPI flows to remain volatile given key events such as upcoming state elections, expectation of rise in interest rates, and concerns that a new COVID variant will prompt fresh mobility restrictions hindering economic recovery. Now, moving on to the top stock picks. Our pick of the week is Oberoi Realty with ad rating and a fair value of rupees 1000. See, Oberoi Realty is well placed to capitalize on improved demand for residential real estate with projects across ticket sizes in key micro markets of Mumbai. Oberoi Realty, in order to increase its presence outside Mumbai, could explore NCR, that is National Capital Region, as the next geography. The company reported strong sales performance in second quarter with sales of rupees 830 crores for sale area of 4.4 lakh square feet on account of sales traction witnessed across all its micro markets. Meanwhile, launch of the much awaited Thane project and pickup of sales in 360 West could bring new momentum to sales numbers. So we maintain ad rating and a fair value of rupees 1000 per share, factoring strong sales performance and price increases. Lastly, you can also consider buying KEC International with a target of rupees 540. That's because KEC is ramping up faster in civil and oil and gas segments. Barring near-term issues on margins, we expect the company to benefit from increased diversification and further decline in commodity prices. We also expect KEC to benefit from increasing focus towards renewable projects. So we maintain a buy rating with a fair value of rupees 540, as I said. Guys, for a detailed insight on our recommendations, do visit Kotak Securities website and go to the research section, or follow us on our Telegram channel for more such updates. So that's all for today. See you again next week. Thank you and happy investing.